Hey guys, welcome to our channel Middle Ventures. Today we are going to learn about the production possibility curve PPC, which is very important topic in microeconomics. In the previous video we have learned about the basic concepts of economy. So today we are going to learn about PPC or PPF, production possibility frontier, or production possibility curve PPC. Both are same thing. So let's start. Introduction to PPC. The production possibility curve PPC or production possibility frontier PPF shows the maximum possible combinations of two goods that an economy can produce using available resources and technology. So let us understand what does it really say. Really say that the production possibility curve PPC or production possibility frontier PPF shows the maximum possible combinations of two goods that an economy can produce using available resources and technology. So let's assume that in a in a time or in an era, there are few fixed technological progress or a few fixed resources are available. So what does PPC shows us? So PPC shows us the maximum possible combinations of two goods, only two goods that an economy can produce using that present resources and technology. So any improvement in technology or any advancement of technology should not get into the count. So it also illustrates three core problems of an economy, that are scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. So we will move forward to the next slide. So assumptions of PPC. So there are a few assumptions of PPC. So first point is point one, fixed quantity of resources. So resources need to be fixed in quantity. Full employment and efficient uses of resources, and resources must be used very efficiently, and there should be full employment in the economy. Constant technology, I have discussed it earlier, that technology should be constant and no improvement and advancement in technology should come into consideration. Only two goods are produced. So in PPC only two goods are produced, and their combinations of productions are shown. More than two goods production are not shown in PPC. Resources can be shifted between goods. So the resources available to produce those two goods can be shifted between themselves. And economy works at full capacity. So these are the main assumptions of PPC. So let us move into the next slide. Production possibility frontier. So here, understand the table and the graphical representation here. So let us see what is it trying to say. Consider an economy which can produce corn or cotton by using its resources. So an economy is trying to produce corn or cotton. These are the two goods. What are two goods? What are those two goods? Corn and cotton. So economy is producing these two goods using its resources. Table gives some of the combination of corn and cotton produced when its resources are fully utilized. So these are the few possibilities or few combinations which are shown in the form of A, B, C, D, and E. There are 5 total combinations. So in the possibility A, the production of corn is 0 and production of cotton is 10. Possibility is B, production of corn is 1 and production of cotton is 9. Possibility C, corn is 2 and cotton is 7. Possibility D, corn is 3 and cotton is 4. Possibility E, corn is 4 and cotton is 0. So putting this values in the graph, we got this graph, which is also PPC or PPF. So these kind of graphs are called PPC or PPF. So here in the x-axis, production of corn is shown, and in the y-axis, production of cotton is shown. So A, B, C, D, E, 5 possibilities are shown here, and production of corn and cotton are also shown here. So in the point A, it is clearly shown that corn is 0 and cotton is 10. Same as point B, corn is 1 and cotton is 9. Point C, possibility C, corn is 2 and cotton 7. And subsequently, in the possibility E, corn is 4, but the cotton is 0 here. Now let us try to understand what has been said here. The point lying strictly below the ppf represents a combination of corn and cotton production where all the resources are either underemployed or wasted. So point lying strictly below the ppf, any point lying strictly below the ppf, it can be here, here, or here, any point which is strictly below the ppf represents a combination of corn and cotton production where all or some of the resources are either underemployed or wasted. So any point which is strictly below this ppf. So if this point, we can say here the resources are either underemployed or wasted. So we can say that in the ppc the resources are fully employed or fully utilized. So moving into the important topic, very important topic. So here also a very important topic, which is opportunity cost. So what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost: if more of scarce resources are used in the production of corn, less resources are available for the production of cotton and vice versa. So we have already seen that the more resources are used to produce corn, the less amount of resources are left to produce cotton. Thus there is always cost of having a little more of one good in terms of amount of other good, and that has to be foregone. So it's trying to say that if I want to make more cotton, then I have to sacrifice the production of more corn and vice versa, because resources are scarce and limited. This is known as opportunity cost or additional unit of goods. So this phenomena is called opportunity cost. Going to the next slide. Law of increasing opportunity cost. So what does it say? As the production of one good increases, the opportunity cost of producing each additional unit also increases. So this is the law of opportunity cost. What does it say? At the production of one good increases, the opportunity cost of producing each additional unit also increases. Reason: what is the reason? Resources are not equally efficient in producing both goods. That resources are not equally efficient in producing both goods. It can be efficient in producing corn. The same resources cannot be efficient in producing cotton. Some resources are better suited for one good than the other. So some resources are better suited for one good than the other. This gives the ppc its concave bowed out shape. So this is the reason that ppc is concave or bowed out shape. So we have understood the law of increasing opportunity cost. So going to the next slide, points of the ppc. So we have also discussed it earlier that points on the ppc, on the curve, full employment and productive efficiency. Any point in the curve or ppc, it shows full employment and productive efficiency. Inside the curve, if any point is located inside the curve, it shows what? Unemployment and or inefficiency. Outside the curve, if any point is outside the curve, it shows what? Unattainable with given resources. Going to the next slide, inefficiency and unemployment. If resources like labor or capital are unemployed or misused, the economy operates inside the ppc. So if resources are unemployed or misused, the economy operates inside the ppc. Example: wrong allocation of skilled workers or ideal resources. When efficiency improves, production moves towards the ppc. So we have seen the ppc like this. So if any point is located inside the ppc, then it shows what? That resources are unemployed or misused. So moving to the next slide, economic growth and ppc shift. When productive capacity increases, ppc shifts outward, causes increases in resources, improvement in technology, better efficiency. This indicates that more of both goods can be produced. If productive capacity increases, ppc shift outward. Like if the ppc is here, then ppc can be shift here when if productive capacity increases. So what are the causes behind the increment of productive capacity? These are the few causes. So increase in resources, that is land, labor and capital, improvement in technology and better efficiency. These are few causes for which the production capacity increases and PPT shifts outward. Uses of PPC. PPC helps us to understand scarcity, that is limited resources. Choice, need to decide between different combinations. Opportunity cost, sacrifice one good to produce another. And efficiency, whether resources are fully utilized or not. Summary. PPC shows possible combinations of two goods with given resources. Concave shape due to increased opportunity cost. Points inside mean efficiency. Points on PPC mean efficiency, and points outside PPC means attainable. Outward shift represents economic growth, demonstrates scarcity, choice, and opportunity cost. So, with the help of PPC, we can show all of these phenomena in a particular economy. So, in this video, we have learned about the PPC and the significance of points in the PPC, different combinations, opportunities, cost, all of this. So, this is a very important topic in microeconomics and very important in the context of different competitive exams. So in the next few videos we'll cover the few important topics of microeconomics. So thank you.